Hi, my name's Rick, and in this video I'll show you how to download and set up the Turtle WoW client for the European realms. First, let's head to the Turtle WoW website to download the client and create an account. I'll just do a search for Turtle WoW, and it's the first result right here, turtle-wow.org. Remember, this is the site for the European servers. The account that we make here and the client that we download will not work on the Southeast Asian servers. The website for that is cn.turtle-wow.org, and I'll have a link for that in the description. Here on the website's main page, we can click the Download Client button. That takes us to a forum post with a link to the client download. Click the link and your browser should start the download. It's around 7 gigabytes, so while that's downloading, let's head back to the main page and click Sign Up to create your account. The account name at the top will be what you use to log into the game. The forum username is how you will appear in the official forums, and it must be different than your account name. To keep your account secure, I recommend not sharing your account name or password with anyone. Once you've filled out the form, click the Complete button. Now, check your email for a message from Turtle WoW, and click the link inside to activate your account. Okay, it's finished downloading. Open up your download location, right-click the file, and click Extract All. Now, click the Browse button, and we can choose where we want to install the game. There can be issues from installing the game in the program files or users folders, so it's recommended to just make your own location on your hard drive. I'll head to my C drive, right-click an empty area, go to New, Folder, and name that Games. Inside that folder, I'll make another folder and name it Turtle WoW. Click Select Folder and it should show the file path as C Games Turtle WoW. Click Extract. This should take just a couple minutes. Once it is finished, it should open up the new install folder for you. If not, navigate to where you extracted it. In here are the game files. There are two options for launching the game, WoW and WoW FOV. I would recommend always using WoW FOV. It has a modern field of view for 16:9 monitors. Double-click it and launch the game. I'll hit the escape key to skip the intro movie, and here we are at the title screen. Enter your account name and password, and check the Remember Account Name checkbox if you'd like. For the realm selection, click English and suggest realm. To see the available realms, click View Realm List. Turtle WoW currently has 2 European realms, the original PvE realm that was opened in 2018, and the new PvP realm, which opened in October 2023. The original PvE realm features leveling challenges, cross-faction teamwork, and the optional hardcore challenge. The new PvP realm does not feature these, but some challenges may be added in the future. Choose a realm from the list and click OK. You can always get back to the realm selection screen by clicking Change Realm. Go ahead and create your character. And be aware there are rules about character names. You can view those along with all the other rules on the website. Enter the game and an introduction cinematic will play. Feel free to watch it or skip with the escape key. Okay, we're in the game now. Let's take a look at the settings. Hit the escape key and choose Interface Options. Here's some common options to change, but each one is up to you. Auto Self-Cast. This allows you to quickly cast spells on yourself without targeting your character first. Instant Quest Text. This skips the quest text animation when accepting or completing quests. Buff Durations. This shows the time remaining on your buffs. I move my mouse look speed all the way down, but this is personal preference. Max Camera Distance lets you zoom out even further from your character. Let's exit the interface options and head to Video Options now. Change your resolution to your monitor's resolution. If that resolution isn't available in the list, restarting your computer and trying again can make it show up. For refresh rate, choose what you like for your monitor. Again, if it doesn't show up in the list, try restarting your computer. Multi-sampling is anti-aliasing, which helps smooth out the overall image and remove jagged edges. I like that maxed out, but it's up to you. An important note is to always keep windowed mode here checked. If you uncheck that option, the game will only display a black screen and you'll have to force quit the game, then edit a configuration file to fix the issue. I'll show how to fix this near the end of the video. Unchecking the maximized option lets you play the game in a window you can move and resize. The sliders here in world appearance I just max out, that's personal preference again. For the checkboxes at the bottom, make sure to always have vertex animation shaders enabled. If it's not enabled, this can cause weird graphical issues. Keeping vertical sync enabled is also usually a good idea. When it's disabled, the game can run at very high frame rates, which causes massive stuttering and other issues, making the game almost unplayable. I play at 144 FPS with no issue, but once you hit around 200 FPS, issues start to pop up. You can hit Ctrl-R to toggle showing your FPS. You can also use the NVIDIA control panel or AMD Adrenalin to limit your FPS to something under 200. Triple buffering can help smooth out stuttering also. Okay, you should be all set up and ready to play Turtle WoW. Feel free to stop the video now and start playing. Or stick around for some more tips and see how to troubleshoot some common issues. You can create a shortcut to Turtle WoW on your desktop by right-clicking, go to Send to Desktop. And I'll just rename this to Turtle WoW. Now you can use this shortcut to launch the game. This is a personal preference, but if you want your A and D keys to always strafe instead of turning your character, you can easily change that. Hit Escape and click Key Bindings. Right here for strafe left, click the button with the Q in it, then hit A on your keyboard. Do the same thing for strafe right, but hit D on the keyboard. Okay, it looks like it's working great. In PvE realms, starting zones have an NPC that is the Glyph Master. They will sell glyphs for certain challenges that Turtle WoW offers. There's the Glyph of the Turtle, which gives you less XP from enemies, but you get a gift box reward every 10 levels. The Glyph of Exhaustion, which lets you level up weapon skills twice as fast, but you can't accumulate rested XP bonus. The Glyph of the Vagrant, which lets you only equip poor or common quality gear. The Glyph of War, which sets you as permanently PvP enabled, but gives you a 30% XP bonus. If you choose War Mode, you can disable it one time and then enable it again, but after that, it cannot be disabled again until you've reached level 60. The PvE realms also offer the Hardcore Challenge, which makes your character mortal with only one life. Every starting area has an NPC named Mysterious Stranger, and completing their quest while you're level 1 turns your character into a hardcore character. But be warned, you cannot turn off hardcore mode until level 60, and if you die for any reason at all, you cannot be revived. Even if the server crashes, or an enemy's bugged and is invisible and it kills you, you cannot be revived. You can read the details about the hardcore mode on the website. Here's how to fix some common issues you may encounter. Trying to chat but getting an error? You need to be at least level 5 to chat in-game. If your mouse still moves too fast even after trying the sliders and interface options, or it just feels unresponsive in general, try toggling on hardware cursor and smooth mouse in the video options. Sometimes you might have graphical issues with the UI, or item descriptions might be messed up. The first thing to try is deleting your WDB folder. This folder contains a cache of information about items, NPCs, and quests, and it can become outdated, causing issues. Exit out of the game, head to your install directory, right-click, and delete the WDB folder. A fresh new one will be automatically created when you start the game again. If your game is only showing a black screen now, here's how to fix it. Use Alt F4 to force quit the game if it's still open. Then head to your install directory, go inside the WTF folder. Right-click config.wtf, click Open With, and choose any text editor. I'll just use Notepad here. Scroll to the bottom and add these two lines. Set gxWindow 1, set gxMaximize 1. Save and exit the file. The game should now display properly. And that's it for my guide. If you're still having any issues, I can try to help out in the comments below, or you can join the official Discord and ask for help there. If you're looking to install any modifications or add-ons for TurtleWow, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.